Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is a before video that I did of my closet. I didn't really get that much footage of before because I just wanted it to be over with, but I had some people from IKEA come out and install it. So this section right here is where I keep all my craft stuff, all my DIY things, all my glitters, and everything. Like everything I use for DIY is in these drawers in this section. I was gonna do like a typical closet tour where what they have on YouTube, but I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do an overview. If you guys want me to like get into more details on my clothes and jewelry and everything like that, like where I purchase mostly everything, let me know, because I felt like it was just time consuming and I just didn't have I didn't know if you guys wanted to see that, but if you do, but this is just an overview of my closet. I got my unit from IKEA. I spent about $700, like $700 for the whole unit, and then they came in and installed it for like $120. This is like 50% of my jewelry. I have so much jewelry, but this is just some of them. I just put these on display. It's like a little display situation going on, but I think that little display thing was like $20 for the tray and $15 for the actual partition part. But once you select everything that you want, and it adds up, it really does. This is my shoes and my purse display, and in that glass situation I have more jewelry. I'll show you that in a second. But my shoe, I just have two shoes, is like bookshelves. And I think they were $50. I can't remember. I'll link everything down below, and just let me know what you want to know. And then all my shoes. I have some that's not on display. I have a shoe problem, and then there's my purse in there. But I have a problem. I buy stuff all the time, especially shoes. Like I buy shoes, a lot of shoes. This is another part of my jewelry collection. So yeah, in these drawers I just have like rings and earrings and a whole bunch of stuff that I don't wear. I just have them. So this is my couch that I had in my salon when I had my salon. I paid $200 for it on house.com. This is my sign, my neon sign. I think I got it for $500 on neonsigns.com, and then I just did like a partial flower wall. I glued it on to like a like construction paper, so I had to put it on the wall. But yeah, this is pretty much the overview of my closet. Like it's just a bedroom that I turned into my closet. I want to take the couch out and probably put a dresser, because I just need more storage in the couch. I don't really sit on it, so it's kind of pointless. So I'll be selling that soon. But this is my closet. I hope you guys love it.